Is that as high as it goes? We are pretty far. Oh, well, that's it. We waited all this time for that. Psych. Pay attention closely, you can see Illuminati symbols around these fireworks. There's some real fuckery going around in these fireworks. Everybody's being hypnotized, as you can see. They're all hypnotized around me. They're all just looking. What exactly are they looking at is what I'm trying to figure out. So you see these two stars. You know, the stars mean something. They keep showing these stars. It's strange. I don't know what it could be. There's some real satanic stuff going on here at Disney Park. And I'm trying to uncover the truth. Join me as I embark this journey to crack Illuminati relationships with Disney Park. Join me. Oh, here they go with the Illuminati colors. As you can tell, we all chose bad seats. All this was planned by Illuminati. These bad seats are Illuminati. Those two booms you heard, it was actually Satan. Satan is known to throw two booms in every one of his appearances. This is satanic. Look at the clouds. The lights. You see how they just turn blue and red? It's because the blue ones are alive, like Jesus, but then the red ones signify the devil himself. You saw the flashes? You are now hypnotized. The Illuminati has got you. Everybody here is Illuminati. The horns of fucking Satan have fucking risen through the fucking skies and are fucking destroying the fucking atmosphere with pollution. Look at all that gunpowder. The government allows this. The government is Illuminati. Oh, you see that light? That's crazy stuff right there. The aurora of the dead Disney man himself. The spirit bombs of fucking Walt Disney. If you look closer, you can see his face in the clouds. Real satanic shit going on here. Oh, so Illuminati. If you follow my links and accounts, you can see how everything here is explained. Illuminati. 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 Satan. Oh shit. It's the devil himself. Satan. Satan. I'm here for your souls, Satan said. Watch him amaze us with his gracefulness. He'll come here looking like Jesus Christ himself, but he will be Satan. 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 This bitch said it looks like the motherfucking Death Star. Oh hell no, I'm about to fucking roast her fucking stupid ass. Stupid ass bitch, I never watched Star Wars. Something that look like a Death Star, boy. They be crazy as fuck. I slap the shit out of her with the Death Star so she can know what the Death Star look like, her stupid ass. You see, I'm too much of a fuck nigga to be hypnotized by fucking Satan. Look at everybody fucking surprised of what? The fucking lights in the sky? You got me fucked up. Wow, some lights. Awesome. There's fucking lights everywhere. Look at those lights. Wow. Oh my god, more lights. Look. All those lights all over the place are so cool. A motherfucking jellyfish. Another jellyfish. Smoking some fucking green crack. They're smoking hella Mary Jane up in the deep blue sea. Shouts out to my boy SpongeBob. Devil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6. Upside down love. Upside down cross. Upside down love. Upside down love. Upside up love. Satan. 666. Just look closely and you'll see it within the smoke. You will see Satan. And Kush in the sky. This was the worst time of my life. Satan. 6-point star, you saw it? 6-point star. Don't be fooled, guys. Stay woke. This is an Iron Man up in this bitch. This is satanic shit. Satanic. Satan. Super Saiyan 6 Satan. Sensation Satan. Oh, more lights. Hope this shit's over because I'm so done with this video.